Hi there, meteorologist Ed Valley here, taking a look at the Northeast. Happy Sunday. And we had a little bit of rain and snow last night. And you look at the cloud cover here today, you're seeing clouds rapidly increasing ahead of yet another weak system here. And you look at the actual radar, there's not a lot on it. A couple flurries and flurries and sprinkles, not a big deal. But as we get into tonight and into tomorrow, there's a bigger piece back across parts of Indiana and Ohio. And that's going to move our way tonight. And ahead of it, here's 10 p.m. tonight, for example. You look at temperatures, it's not all that cold. So as this stuff moves in, it is marginally cold enough north and west. But you look at the actual precip, it's kind of precedes the colder air. So it might be initially in the 40s. The precip comes in as rain, maybe snow above 1,500 feet or something, and then it ends, right? So it's not a big system. But overnight periods of rain and snow showers possible, pretty much region-wide. And then overnight tonight, you notice everything kind of clears out. And for tomorrow morning, we're left with quite a bit of cloud cover lingering, at least initially. And you'll notice through the day, it's a partly to mostly cloudy sky north, partly to mostly sunny sky south, and any sort of snow shower activity is well inland in the mountains here for the day on Monday. Again, not a huge deal, but some of those higher peaks could see a couple inches of snowfall accumulation, along with some pretty darn chilly temperatures here to start the week. Those snow showers continue Monday night in the mountains. For the rest of us, though, we're dry here for Tuesday as well. Just a few little lake effect streamers possible. So you look at the total precip between now and Tuesday. Along the coast, it's a trace to 1/10 of an inch, maybe 2/10 if you get right under something here tonight. Otherwise, it's very dependent on mountain induced and lake induced precipitation, and it's generally pretty light. But again, some of these higher peaks could see 3 to 6 inches of snow, perhaps. So that is something we're going to look out for, especially in northern Vermont, northern New York, and parts of the White Mountains, the presidentials especially. So that is taking us through Tuesday. The other thing I wanted to just look at here, temperatures at about 2,500 feet. We've been using this kind of as a gauge because we talked about how this colder air is coming in today and tomorrow, and it is. So you notice today, temperatures a couple degrees above freezing at 2,500 feet. But look at what happens tomorrow. A little bit colder, but then tomorrow night and Tuesday is the coldest. So that's the core of the cold. Monday night into Tuesday. You notice Tuesday at 2,500 feet, you're below freezing from I-90 northward if you're at 2,500 feet. So our friends in the mountains of Massachusetts and northern New England and New York going to be cold on Tuesday. That's a great snowmaking day into Tuesday night as well. But you notice as we get into Wednesday here, a lot of warmer air hanging back west. And as that moves in, that's going to shut off any sort of good cold we have. It's just going to go away, right? So let's take a look at this with respect to precipitation. So just know that Monday night, Tuesday night, and Wednesday morning are the prime time for cold. And then Wednesday, it's going to start moving away, okay? So again, a few snow showers linger Tuesday night. But again, as that colder air kind of goes away, it's going to come with perhaps a shower or two here for Wednesday far north. Most of us are actually just drier and warmer Wednesday into Thursday. However, that warmth usually ends with a cold front, and that's what we're going to see Thursday afternoon and Thursday night. Might even end as a few snowflakes or even a little bit of accumulating snow in some of the highest terrain. But again, it's an up and down pattern this week, ending with more cold. And you look at that pattern at 2,500 feet for Friday, and guess what? We're getting another great shot of cold air coming in as we head towards next weekend. And I know a lot of folks want to open for ski areas here next weekend. This week coming is not all that favorable. Outside of that Monday night through Wednesday morning time frame, there's a lot of warmer air coming for Thursday, Friday. So that needs to be incorporated into your decision-making process, okay? So it's going to be an interesting week. Again, there's that rainfall risk. How much rain at the end of the week? Well, right now it looks like 1/4 to 1/2 an inch for a lot of us. So not exactly an ideal week for sure, but could be worse, right? So here's a look at today. It's 30s and 40s inland, 40s, 50s coast. Tomorrow, a little bit colder. Tuesday, though, like we said, heart of the cold comes Tuesday. We warm up Wednesday, and then Thursday is the warmest day of the week, 50s and 60s for us. And then we cool off again Friday, Saturday, and Sunday as that colder air mass returns. So that's what we got for you. Have a great week. We'll be back tomorrow with another video.